Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to be showing you all the easiest ways to take screenshots on a MacBook. Whether you want to capture your entire screen, just a part of it, or even record your screen, I'll show you exactly how to do it. Let's get started. Hey everyone. The fastest way to screenshot your entire screen is by pressing Command, Shift, and 3 at the same time. As soon as you press those keys, your Mac takes a screenshot of everything on the screen. You'll usually see a small preview appear in the corner. By default, your screenshots are saved to your desktop. If you only want to capture part of your screen, press Command, Shift, and 4. Your cursor will turn into a crosshair. Then click and drag over the area you want to capture. Once you release your mouse or trackpad, the screenshot will be taken automatically. This is probably the method I use most often because it lets you capture exactly what you need. Then, what if you only want to capture one window without showing your entire desktop? First press Command, Shift, and 4. Then press the space bar. Your cursor will turn into a camera icon, and then hover over the window you want to capture and click. The Mac automatically takes a clean screenshot of that window. And as you can see, it only captured the window. For even more options, press Command, Shift, and 5. This opens the Screenshot Toolbar. From here, you can capture the entire screen, capture a selected window, or capture a selected portion. Now, the next three options are to record the screen. The first option is to record the entire screen, record the selected window, or record the selected portion. You can drag the box around if you want to capture just a selected area. And then you have these two options as well. And then all you have to do is click Capture. And if you can't find your screenshots, they're usually saved directly to your desktop. You can find them by clicking on Finder and going to your Recents or Desktop. The file name will look something like Screenshot followed by the date and time. And that's how to take screenshots on a Mac. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.